What's going on, YouTube? Yeah, we back today with another one. 86 Cutlass Brougham 307 Oldsmobile top end rebuild candidate. As you see, we already got the valve covers off of it, distributor out of it. We're having issue originally out of these two rockers. And then we ran into this issue.
So much torque, the chassis twisted coming off the line.
That's what we got going on with it today. We're gonna start tearing it down, getting it ready. Inspect the bottom end to see if it's even worth rebuilding, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera right now and we'll get back to y'all when we get to work. We got the radiator holes out the way. Finna go ahead and work on removing the radiator, get the support out the way. Then we're gonna work on the front assembly, get everything removed. Then we're gonna work our way back and disassemble the rest. But yeah, man, this is car pretty solid, clean body, original paint. Actually, like I said, got good another light. Like I said, it's a solid body. Clean car, man. Owner didn't want to go Chevrolet small block. So we wanted to keep the Oldsmobile. So we gonna that's how we got to this point. Gonna give him what he asked for. Make sure he got a smile when you leave. But yeah, I'm gonna get some of this stuff over here and I'm gonna get right back with y'all. Going on, YouTube, we back. Got the radiator loose, got the lines off. Getting ready to detach the radiator from the reservoir. Let me get this out of the way. It's a little lubricant right there. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. I feel like this is gonna be an interesting project. It's something different, you know. Usually when you see somebody pop a hood on one of these G bodies nowadays at the car meter, even at the gas station, it's always gonna be a small block Chevrolet in there. I feel like this is gonna be a nice surprise for anybody who, hit run and think it's something else, But like I say, we're gonna get back to work for a second. I'm gonna have a little cut scene here. Y'all gonna see us work, and I'll get back to y'all in just a moment. Yeah, let it go. Yeah. All right. Have me go to the other side, bro. This side. That's what we got going on. A little bit more room. Had a little mishap on one of the.
Oh, hell no.
Line one of the. Hold on, I'm trying to get the camera focus. I'm working on 30, 40-year-old cars, running the thing like this. Trying to get the camera focus in. But yeah. We're one place in line with a new one. We're gonna get ready to go back with it. Oh, you see how rusty it is down in there. So yeah, we was able to save that one. Wasn't able to save that one, but that's how it goes sometimes. So we are at the point now I'm finna get ready to keep on buttoning the front assembly. And yeah, back to another cutscene. Put it back, bro. Put it back. back with you. This is what we're looking at today. We're gonna close it off today with this right here. Got all the front assembly off of it. Tomorrow, we're gonna focus on getting the intake manifold and the 2 cylinder heads off of it, so we can take a good look down on the inside of the engine. But yeah, pretty much what we got going on right now. Front assembly over there. Yeah, until next time.
The end.